Umbrellas bloom then fade away. My coffee's cold, the hours stay, and I'm still stuck on yesterday. People laugh beyond the glass, their voices blur. The moments pass between the rain and me. The world feels miles away. I whisper your name quietly, but echoes never stay. The traffic hums a lonely song. I count the drops, they fall too long. Your shadow walks where I belong, but I can't tell what's right or wrong. If time could freeze this memory, would you turn it